crazy. I don't got a brake for anything. Everything's broken. How? Bro, come on. Oh! I've never seen this cutscene. Alright. Wait. Okay, I know. Can I please skip? I can't skip. Oh my god. Tutorial changed so much. What is this song? Dude. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh shit. Wait, how did I change? Okay, hold on. What button? This thing has 200 Ford. Oh, it already has a V6. Never mind. Alright, time trial. Just in case. Alright, this car is too slow. There we go. 400 horses. Alright, let's test. That's 4 gears, dude. Oh my god. Brother, I could have done. God damn it. What? Alrighty. Oh, he can sprint now. Oh my god. $25. That's friggin' nothing, bro. Got no chance against me, bro. Boom. Easy. Max bet, bro. I don't care. Oh, what? Alright, another race for 2K. Damn. 5K, bro. Easy. Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, wait, I don't have 500 horsepower. Oh, might as well do a bit of chop shopping. You get a bit of money. I'm gonna chop shop this guy's car. Boom! Chopped, chopped, and sold, chopped. What? How much do I get from it? Look at that. More money, and this could be sold for, bro. Ooh. Yeah, 6K. Might as well. $15 grand, bro. Easy money. Not as easy as chop shopping, but still. I need 100 wrench points, whatever the hell that is. This car is hella ugly, bro. Wash it, fix it. Yeah, sure. Paint. Hold up. I need rims for this first. Hold on. Wide as. Holy shit. Those are hella wide. Okay. That. Yeah, sure. There we go. Look at this dude. Oh, I'll go 1,000. I don't think I'm gonna win. Can't win if I do this. No, I'm gonna lose. Oh hell no. Oh, practice. Oh, I can easily beat that. Not with that shifting. I just cooked myself. Oh god. Oh, and a supercharger. Okay. Now I have 900. Oh, damn. Okay. Now I really need a longer gear ratio. Let's go test it. Actually, I'm pretty sure it just loses power up top. That's why it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Alright, let's race 3,000. Crazy. I don't got a brake for anything. Maybe that. Really? Oh, come on, bro. What the f, bro? Just for it to not fucking go, man? Wow. That's fucking stupid. I really did that to myself, dude. Jesus Christ. Everything's broken. How? Bro, come on. I flipped on my side and everything's broken. Yeah, everything's broken, bro. What the f. Oh, what else do I have? Holy sh. Oh, my sway bars. Yeah, those are a thing. If I don't flip. There we go. Jesus Christ. And there's another 3 freaking laps. 5K on that. Why is that thing so fast, dude? What is this? Bro. Bro, what? Dude, what is this? Alright, now all the power's up top. So hopefully I can use that in the Amateur Cup. My brother in Christ. Nah, I got this in the bag. Oh no, I'm good, bro. What the hell? Backyard oh my god. I don't want to do that. Nah, it's still fast. I got this. 25 freaking laps. I'm good. For 6,000. Oh, I'm gonna defeat this guy if I ram into him. Ooh, he can't accelerate out the turns like me, bro. Damn, this guy's fast. What the hell? Oh, goddamn way. Oh, yeah. Okay, that was way too freaking long. Alright. Oh, god damn it. What am I? A pro? I'm not a pro. I'm still an amateur. First in race mode on Gutta? Dude, I'm actually... Okay.